Thank you for watching. My name is Courtney Palchuk from LSW Lighting, and today I have a brief presentation on the product capabilities of the Lightolier SlimSurface family of luminaires by Signify. The Lightolier SlimSurface downlights are characterized by a completely flat lens with a narrow flange, giving the design space an architecturally pleasing look. The SlimSurface features a similar performance to typical recessed downlights, but in a surface mount design. Whether you choose square or round trims, you can also choose from 5-inch, 7-inch, or 10-inch apertures for a consistent look within both commercial and residential applications. The 5/8 of an inch thick luminaire is easy to install on standard junction boxes with a quick snap. It is the thinnest available solution with an integral driver. Specifiers will appreciate the multitude of application opportunities, and contractors will have a positive experience working with a hassle-free downlight installation. SlimSurface downlights are the perfect solution where there is no plenum space for recessed downlights available. It also eliminates the need for air seal recessed housings or fire-rated boxes, which allows for a reduction in both material and installation costs. The SlimSurface boasts edge-lit even illumination, eliminating fixture dark spots or shadows. It is capable of producing up to 2,200 lumens in the round version and 1,000 lumens in the square, and a variety of color temperatures and finishing options as well. And what is great about this luminaire is now it also has a wet location listing. By delivering high lumen output and great visual comfort, the 5/8 inch surface mount downlight is appealing to both specifiers and contractors. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me or the sales team here at LSW Lighting. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.